Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign or add a custom thumbnail to your video clips you upload on Vimeo. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to the video clip in your Vimeo video library you have uploaded to your account or to your library. I will go with this one. Left click into it to access the video editor. And what you want to do next here is scroll down a bit here in the video details. Go through the title, description, and so on and so forth. And here you will see the thumbnail section. So Vimeo will choose a frame from your video clip if you haven't uploaded or if you don't upload any custom thumbnail yourself. So if you'd like to upload one, click into this button. Next, you will see an upload window here in the top left corner where you will be given the opportunity to navigate to the given thumbnail in JPEG or PNG file format on your device. Like for example, with that aspect ratio, let's say that's 1280 by 720 pixels or something like that, a thumbnail like this, to upload it to your video library. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.